Doing It Again. I forgot the name of like I'm Doing It Again, but I forgot the name. Oh. 28 by Zach Bryan. Boom. You took a train to the south side of Boston. You showed me where your old man stayed. Took 28 years of blood I was lost in to feel loved on my own birthday. It always felt like it's size between something like home and somewhere far away. Tonight on the west side in a bar at Brooklyn, I saw a tear line your face. How lucky are we? It's been a hell of a week, but we're all grown now. The smoke seeping out